What's up guys? Kumusta kayo? It's me again, Joseph Kate. So for today's video guys, let's talk about BDO additional credit card via SMS. Pag-uusapan natin guys yung frequently asked questions regarding this invitation. Kumbaga, ito kasi ay invitation from BDO which is pinapa-apply kayo for another credit card. Kaya naman yung vlog nito guys is about BDO credit card invitation for credit card application via SMS. Kasi as you can see guys, additional credit card via SMS. Pag-uusapan natin guys yung frequently asked questions about this, kung ito ba ay legit or hindi. Kasi naka-receive ako guys ng text message saying na, "Hi Joseph, apply for a new BDO JCB Gold credit card and get up to 5,000 cashback with 25 pesos minimum spend plus annual membership fee is free on the first year." Kaya naman pag-uusapan natin to guys yung kadalasang tanong para at least malinawan kayo kapag naka-receive kayo ng ganitong text message. Pero bago yun, nais muna kitang imbitahan na mag-subscribe sa YouTube channel ko kung bago ka pa lang kasi marami pa po akong isi-share ng mga tutorials, knowledge, and experience of mine in the future. Kaya naman huwag niyong kalimutan mag-subscribe para updated kayo lagi sa mga vlogs na i-upload ko. Yun lang po at sobrang maraming salamat po. So as you can see guys, ito yung text message na na-receive ko. "Hi Joseph, apply for a new BDO JCB Gold credit card and get 5,000 cashback or 5K cashback with 25K minimum spend plus AMF." When we say AMF as annual membership fee is free on the first year. Simply text CC add space last 6 digits of your MC or MasterCard Gold to 225678 until 8/15/2025. By texting you agree to BDO credit card T&C or terms and conditions, data privacy and undertaking. For info, visit the BDO website and search additional card via SMS. T&C applies, DTI permit number, something ganyan. So ngayon guys, nandito na tayo ngayon sa frequently asked questions about this text message na pinadala ni BDO sa atin. So as you can see guys, ayan, additional credit card application via SMS. Frequently asked question. Ito yung mga kadalasang tanong. So as you can see guys, I receive an SMS from BDO inviting me to apply for an additional BDO credit card. Is this legitimate? So legit nga ba ito guys? So ang sagot is yes, for as long as the sender is BDO deals. Kasi galing siyang BDO deals na. So, ibig sabihin, legit naman siya. If the SMS you receive is not from BDO deals, do not reply or provide in information. Kasi guys, yung mga, phishing or kumbaga, yung mga text message na nang aano lang siya at nang hihingi ng something ganyan at delikado yun. Kaya naman dapat aware kayo, dapat sine-check ninyo yung sender kung ito ba ay legit from BDO deals. The next guys is, how do I apply for an additional BDO credit card via SMS? Upon receipt of the SMS from BDO deals inviting you to apply for an additional BDO credit card, simply send an SMS to 225678 following the format below. CC add space last 6 digits of your existing BDO credit card. Example is CC add 123456. Example lang yun guys. Reminder, use your BDO registered mobile number when submitting application via SMS. Ibig sabihin guys, kung ano yung nakaregister na mobile number doon sa account ninyo or nung nag-apply kayo ng savings account, nagkaroon kayo ng credit card, kung ano yung mobile number na yon, yun yung gagamitin yung pag-text dito para i-honor yung BDO additional credit card via SMS request ninyo. So ito guys, can I apply for more than one additional BDO credit card via SMS? Ang sagot is hindi. No. You can only apply for one additional BDO credit card via SMS. If you wish to apply for more than one additional BDO credit card, please visit the BDO website. Note that all additional card requests will be subject to the bank's approval. So ibig sabihin, hindi lahat na-approve. Kailangan ng approval from the bank. The next guys is, can I use any mobile number in applying for an additional BDO credit card via SMS? Ang sagot is hindi. Tulad ng sabi ko kanina, kung ano yung naka-register, yun yung gagamitin nyo. Please use BDO registered mobile number where SMS invitation was sent. Then, can I follow up on the status of my BDO credit card application by sending an SMS to 225678? Ang sagot is no. Please contact BDO Contact Center at 632-8888-000 to follow up the status of your additional BDO credit card application. So, ibig sabihin guys, hindi nyo siya pwedeng i-follow up using SMS. Kailangan nyo tawagan yung customer service mismo ni BDO to follow up. The next guess is what will happen to my existing video credit card if I apply for an additional video credit card. So ano nga ba yung mangyayari? You may continue to use your existing video credit card and enjoy the benefits and the perks. Since another card ito guys, kumbaga add cards, okay lang yon. Magiging dalawa na yung video credit card ninyo. Pero kung for upgrading naman, yung isang credit card na in-upgrade ninyo is madi-deactivate yun right after ma-activate ninyo yung upgraded credit card. Since ito ay additional credit card, magagamit nyo pa rin yun. Magiging dalawa na yung BDO credit card ninyo. Then next is, will I be given an additional credit limit for my new BDO credit card? Yung sagot is hindi. So your existing credit limit will be the same and shared across all your BDO credit cards. Ibig sabihin, kapag nag-apply kayo ng another credit card, yung credit limit is the same pa rin. Shared siya. When we say shared, kung magkano yung credit limit ng isang credit card, yun na rin yung magiging credit limit ng isang credit card na in-apply ninyo via SMS. Pwede naman kayo mag-request for credit limit increase pero subject to bank's approval yun. Hindi sure or guaranteed na ma-approve yung request ninyo ng credit limit increase. Kaya naman, ingatan lang ninyo yung credit card ninyo, bayaran nyo ng tama at maayos para hindi kayo magkaroon ng problema sa pangalan ninyo sa record ni banks. Next is, can I request for a change in delivery address or mobile number by sending an SMS to 225678? Ang sagot is hindi. Hindi siya pwede. Kailangan yung tumawag mismo. Please contact the BDO Contact Center at 632-888-0000 to update your information. So, dun lahat yung matatapos, yung follow-up at saka yung pagpa-change ng address, kailangan nyo talagang itawag directly to BDO Contact Center. I don't want to apply via SMS. Can I apply by calling the BDO Contact Center instead? Pwede naman, yes. You may still apply via BDO Contact Center, but this may require submission of additional requirements and information. So, since doon kayo doon kayo nag-apply, hahingan kayo ng proof of income, something ganyan. So, much better na lang na dito na lang kayo sa text message mag-apply. Follow nyo na lang yung instruction kung ano yung keyword na sinasabi, tapos isend sa 225678 para less hassle sa end ninyo. Tapos pag nag-follow up kayo, at saka mag-change ng delivery address, doon na lang kayo tumawag sa BDO Contact Center. Huwag makulit. Ganun siya. So ito guys, lagi ko naman sinasabi na yung credit card is naglalaman ng mga confidential details. Kaya naman dapat aware kayo. Alam nyo kung paano pangalagaan yung BDO credit card details kasi kayo lang din yung mahihirapan in the end kapag parang binarabara lang ninyo yung details ng credit cards ninyo. Kasi pwede siyang magamit for online transactions just by using BDO credit card details. Yung card number, yung expiry date, at saka yung CVC sa likod. Yun yung mga mahalagang importante doon. Of course, yung credit card mismo, baka kasi ma-misplace ninyo at pwede siyang gamitin ng ibang tao pang shopping. So, physical card na yon. At minsan, may mga ibang merchants na hindi nang hihingi ng valid ID para before sila mag-transact. Basta na lang sila nagtatransact, so magugulat na lang si credit card owner, may bayarin na sila na pagkalaki-laki. Kaya naman kapag na-misplace ninyo, automatic call BDO Contact Center to block your card para secured yung account ninyo at hindi kayo mamumroblema in the future. So yun lamang guys. So sana may na-share ako. Don't forget to subscribe. It's me again, Joseph Kate, that says we don't have cash because we go for cashless transactions. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye-bye!